Talking about prepping for any big storms this hurricane season, taking care of your house and getting things ready is top of mind.
It also means making sure your homeowner's insurance policy is up to date and you have the coverage you really need and understanding what's covered.
Yeah, it's not super simple. So because of that, we're welcoming insurance expert Dexter Chase of We Insure Now to help us kind of break down some of these misconceptions and myths and stuff like that. All right, so what would you say is the number one tip that if you had to tell anybody, what would it be?
Don't wait. Don't wait.
Right.
Every time hurricane season comes around, a couple days before, a couple weeks before, you start getting the phone calls. The biggest problem is if there's a named storm out there and it's getting close, people panic, they call us. The carriers have already shut down. You can't make a change. You can't bind a new policy. If you have an issue, there's nothing, our hands are tied by the carriers because of the risk involved.
So how far in advance do carriers shut that down? Like 5 days, 7 days when we start tracking a storm?
Each carrier is different. Some of them, it might be the day before. Some of them, as soon as that thing's named and it's heading this way and that trajectory of building up, they shut down. It could be up to 5 days or so. There's no set time, but I've seen it a week out.
What are some of those things that are often overlooked? You know, people have a basic policy. They think, okay, I've got, you know, my insurance paid up, I'm good. But what are we overlooking oftentimes? We talked about flooding. What are some other issues?
Yeah, flooding is not covered by a standard homeowner's policy, rising groundwaters. And as she said earlier, you want to have a separate policy for that. So everyone is actually in a flood zone. You may not be in a high risk zone, but if you're in a flood, everybody's in some sort of a flood zone. Even a lower risk, you could have rising groundwaters on a temporary basis that could still creep into the house. You're not covered by your homeowner's policy.
And I'm going to be honest with you, after Hurricane Irma, there was areas that never saw flooding that did. So construction, changes of, you know, highways maybe, you know, things move and divert water differently. So I know after Irma, I was like, we're going to get into flood insurance. It's only it's a little bit when you think about stretching it over the year, but there is kind of that little timeline where it doesn't. You have 30 days. Was that a myth or is that true?
Well, there's a lot of so NFIP, National Flood Insurance Program, has a mandatory 30-day wait unless it's a new closing. And now there are quite a few options of private carriers that are offering flood insurance or an endorsement to a homeowner's policy that don't require that same waiting period. The deductibles are another big one, is don't wait. You can only change hurricane deductibles typically at renewal. If your renewal is in December, it doesn't help you with your policy in July. And there's some great options now. I've got many carriers that offer $500 hurricane deductibles.
$500?
$500 instead of the average is 2%. So on a $300,000 house, you're looking at $6,000 before they pay a penny. Some even have deductible installment plans, so you don't have to pay it all up front. And some of them even have diminishing deductibles similar to car insurance.
So ask the questions.
Yeah, and as we are heading into hurricane season tomorrow, what do folks need to get out and look at, and what are some questions they need to be asking their reps or their agents?
Find out what your deductible is. Get a copy of your policy so you know who to call. If you need to file a claim, you call and file that claim. But you may want to think about it, what kind of damage do I really have? These carriers, if you call them, they don't just come out and you ask them to, can you look at my roof? Can you figure? Once you've called and filed a claim, you now have a claim on your record. What you don't want to have is a zero paid claim by filing and then having nothing paid out because it's below your deductible. You also want to make sure you know who to call in the event you need trees cut down, you need your roof done, you need some work done immediately after. Make sure you document everything in your house. Take your cell phone, go around the house, document your TV and everything in the drawers and the cupboards, and you know, because at some point you're going to have to, if you find that you have to replace those items, they're going to ask you for some sort of proof of what you had in the house in order to justify the claim.
And wind mitigation inspections can also bring down some of your homeowner insurance too.
That's
so that's
huge.
certainly helpful. Yeah, we'll have more on that story coming up in the Hurricane Special at 7. But thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate
for having us.
Hopefully people listen and
Do their homework.
Do their homework. Yeah, ask the right questions. There's a lot there.